guys, so I'm in a row right now because we are doing the drainage today, and the drainage channel is almost ready, but I will show you what we are going to do. So this right here is our main retaining wall, and right here is going to come the drainage pipe, and also right here there next to the pool area. And because of that we won't have problems, I hope we won't have problems with the drainage and with the water coming from all there to here. The drainage pipe is around 70 meters long. It's hard drainage pipe, and it's going to be right here, and it's going to be drained into this drain right here. So yeah, let's see what happens next. So this is the drainage pipe, and it goes straight to the main pipe, and it goes just from this side right here. We'll make it even better and nicer right now, but this is just rough sketch. So the sand is now on the drainage pipe. So yeah, here is the last line. And now we will put the geotextile right on top of it. So the drainage channel is now being, I don't know how to say it, but the small gravel is over. This is the drainage pipe. What they're doing is they're digging the septic tank. So this is the septic tanks, two of them right here, and the third one is going there. Alright, so all three septic tanks are now in place. This one is full of water, this one is full of water, and this one is going to be as well. So we have to fill them with water, because if you don't do that, if you put the material around them when they are empty, the ground and the soil over time will squeeze them and they may break. As you can see, they are made from this very hard plastic material. They have two big openings, as you can see, and this, on each one of them you see that small white circle as well, and that one is for the air to go inside of each of these tanks, and to provide more oxygen for the bacteria inside of the septic tank to eat the hard stuff inside of the tanks and to be more fluent. So yeah, they're all now pumped with water. Once the house is ready, we will connect it right to here, and then the hard stuff is falling down and the liquid part is going in the next one. Here the same process is happening again, and here the same process is happening again. And what you have here is the clean water. It's not for showering, for drinking, etc., but you have the water which is used, for example, for your garden hose, for washing the road, and etc., and something like that. So yes, this is the main pipe which is going right through here behind this huge wall, and it goes right there into the huge place where we will put big rocks and stones and create one drainage channel, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, what we are going to do next is to cover these septic tanks with the material, just like this one here below, or like this one here. And that's going to be the end for this video, because the next step is when the house is ready, and that's probably within a month or two. So yes, and the septic tanks are now gone forever under the ground. Something like that, but yeah. So as you can see, we put this very small rocks around it. We firstly put water inside of all of them, and then put the small stones, rocks around all 3 barrels. And the septic tank is going right there into the pipe and is going away. So this is what it looks right now, and for this step that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video where we showed you the septic tanks as well, and how to install them properly. If we did it properly or not, we're going to see for a couple of months. But yeah, so here is the main entrance for, so the entire water from the house are going to be drained into this pipe right here, into the first one, then to the second one, into the third one, and then away. So yeah, that's what it looks right now. Ignore those big pile of those rocks, because we just put it like that. But the main thing is right beneath this rock, because it's the big giant circle, yeah, opening for, to pump out everything what's inside, and all 3 of them has one opening, which are going to be put above. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.